Glory to you, O Lord.
Jesus said to his disciples, I have much more to tell you, but you cannot bear it now. But when he comes, the Spirit of truth, he will guide you to all truth. He will not speak on his own, but he will speak what he hears, and will declare to you the things that are coming. He will glorify me, because he will take from what is mine and declare it to you. Everything that the Father has in mind. For this reason, I told you that he will take from what is mine and declare it to you. The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Una-una, magandang hapon sa inyo. Sabihin natin sa ating mga katabi,
Mabuhay ka, mabuhay ka, mabuhay ka, mabuhay ka, mabuhay ka, mabuhay ka.
Nasa pagkaraniwang araw na po tayo, ordinary days, natapos ng Pentecostes. Ngayon, sa Solemnity of the Most Holy Trinity, na susunod na araw ay Solemnity of the Corpus Christi, the Body and Blood of Christ, susunod na Solemnity of the Sacred Heart. We are on the ordinary time. Magkakaroon ulit ng Solemnity, Christ the King. Those events are in the ordinary time. Minsan kami ay pupunta sa